Russian aerospace forces have received the Su-57 stealth aircraft in the southern military district, as indicated by numerous reports. The aerospace force has acquired the Sukhoi 57, a Su-57 airplane. It was given to a squadron in the southern military area, as TASS report distributed on Friday. The Su-57, a NATO name felon, has had a long and to some degree tormented turn of events. First test Su-57 crashed during a flight test a year ago. Su-57 flew for the first time on January 29, 2010, using composite materials and innovation technologies, and the fighter's aerodynamic configuration ensure the low level of radar and infrared signature. The fifth-generation Sukhoi 57 fighter jet is designed for destroying any type of air and surface targets. Read more on our website geopolitiki.com.